Hello, this is Jason Hicks for the Final Project Part 2, Alexa Skill Development. And for my skill, I chose to have a program where you can...
Welcome back, ready to play some more lullabies. Your requests?
And here, it will say welcome back, because I've done this before. I've had 114 visits, because I did a lot of testing. And we'll start with requesting Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are up above the world so high like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Well, will it not? There we go, fine. Oh my god. Okay, here we go, yep. So session attributes, current song, ID 4, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and it'll show all lyrics. Number of songs has been 1, past songs is 0. If I don't have anything in mind, I'll say no.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are up above the world so high like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Songs is 2. And the current song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's get a different one now.
Sleep, baby, sleep, your father tends the sheep, your mother shakes the dreamland tree, and from it fall sweet dreams for thee. Sleep, baby, sleep, sleep, baby, sleep.
Let's do Hush Little Baby now. So I'm
Hush,
requesting this.
little baby, don't say a word.
Yep,
Papa's gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing, Papa's gonna buy you a diamond ring, and if that diamond ring is brass, Papa's gonna buy you a looking glass.
And the current song, Hush Little Baby. And number of songs is 4. And to end the program, we'll do exit. And it's done. And the code for this, it needs to load, is here. So it starts if for the session attributes, visits, if it's 0, do you wish to play a lullaby, any requests. And again, like for me, welcome back. And down here, this is the request handler. And we're loading in the attributes. Here we go. So it requires the functions page, and it checks if it is there. So check song, or I'll go back up. I have the indent get song, and for that, it'll whatever you request it will send it to songs, the functions JS, and check. And if it returns true, it will then go down, get the song, set the attributes, +1 to the number of songs, show the lyrics, and then return it. If not, sorry, we did not find your song. Sorry, we did not find the song you're looking for. And for retrieving the songs, right here is check song. I will fully admit, I followed a lot of the Cake game development, or the development skill walkthrough, and they had, for the celebrity game, they had months. I changed it to song titles, because I tried comparing the name that you ask it and to the name of the actual song list, and it never really worked. So I had to follow like the skill development said and get the number associated with it here, compare that to the song ID, and then it worked when I put it into a filtered. So if the name of the song equals the thing that the song you're asking for, returns true. If else, returns false. And then for getting the song, very similar, filtered, and then it will return. And I tried to do the filtered, just the index 0. I couldn't get that to work. It kept coming back undefined. So I just did the random. But since it's an array of only 1, it would always return the single entry. And that worked. it stopped coming back as undefined. Oh, and here's the list for the songs. ID, song, and then the lyrics right here. So that was the request, and this was the random song. I found that if the past songs was null, which it starts out as null, it just didn't work. So if it's not null, it'll go through, get the random song, just like in the development program, or in the walkthrough. If it doesn't, or if it is null, then it won't have something to compare it to, and I named it get first song. And the function for that is right up here. It'll, just like in the development, it will choose the random number by the number of length, and it will return one index. For the get first, it will just return a random entry, because it's supposed to be random. And there was no other past songs. And then going back here, once it goes through and chooses the song, it'll then come down here. If it's the ID of 0, you will run out of songs. If it's not, then it will update the attribute managers and then add to the number of songs and then the song lyric, and then show the song lyrics here. And then for the build, just to show you the slots. So right here, the ones I chose was my get song indent, is song, and for that I used Amazon.search query because that's what's worked. I had to Google it a fair bit to find one that would work, but the Amazon search query worked. And then I also used no.indent for this. I tried using the Amazon search.action, didn't work. Yeah, it didn't work, so I should delete it. And that is my Amazon Alexa skill development.